Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to run PHP snippet on site-wide header, footer and body in WordPress on all website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our page and this is our post and this is our category pages, post type. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WPCode. So this is plugin WPCode. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. So we are going to insert PHP snippet on site-wide header, footer and body. Now custom snippet section open, so you can add your PHP code and then you see code type, select PHP snippet and then scroll down, you see insert method auto insert and then you see location, drop down select and then you see site-wide header, body, footer. Now first select header, so site-wide header selected and then on top you see inactive, now active and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved, so you can add your PHP code. Now go to website page, refresh the page, post page, refresh the page. So this is the category page, refresh the page. On top you see PHP code. Now you see. Now back to code and then you see site-wide header. Now select. So you can select site-wide footer, body. Now you see insert the snippet in the footer just before the closing body tag. So you can select according to your requirement and then click on update. So in this way you can insert PHP snippet on site-wide header, site-wide body and site-wide footer by using WPCode plugin. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.